Howdy guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. I got a really cool car here for you today. This is a 1968 Chevrolet Impala. This is the SS427 package. Pretty rare, pretty special. Certainly don't see these all that often. Pretty highly optioned car. Obviously it's got the 427 big block engine. It's got the 3-speed turbo 400 automatic transmission. It's got power windows. It's got factory air, power brakes, power steering, and those are power front disc brakes as well on the SS package. Buckets with a console, gauge package. This vehicle has just got it all going on. It's got some nice BF Goodrich Radial TAs on it with the rally wheels. Hop inside here. It also does have cruise control, and it has tilt, which are seldom seen options. Pretty sweet. Obviously this SS427 package is really what makes this car. That is a very rare option. You can see there it's got the factory tach, it's got the gauges there, it's got the console with the horseshoe shifter. Really nice, comfortable, spacious interior. 99,225. I would believe that to probably be original to the car. It certainly looks that way. But obviously, as you can see, it's had a lot of restoration work done over the years, but that does look pretty original along with the rest of the gauges. Pretty cool. For your AC here, I just felt it turn on there. So if it gets cold. Windows are working well. You got your AM, FM radio. That's pretty nice. Works nice. Alright, there you have it. There is your 427 385 horse big block Chevrolet motor. It does appear to be numbers matching, along with the turbo 400 transmission appears to be numbers matching. There's your AC compressor. You can see there it's kicked on. So I'm going to turn the AC off. Go. Now it's not turning anymore. Really nice engine bay. There's your cruise control modulator there. You can see the inner fenders are in really nice shape. Nice padding under the hood. Hinges are in good shape and tight. Really nice, smooth sounding motor. Really really pretty front end. Beautiful dash, you know, SS427 there on the above the glove box, SS on the door panels. Door closes nice. See here on the window fitment, it's nice. Awesome exhaust. So this car is in really nice shape. I would consider it restored, but with still a lot of originality. You know, the engine, the transmission, both appear to be numbers matching. You can see here there's a little paint touch up there, paint touch up there. You know, but other than that, pretty minimal. Not much to beat up on this car. Really nice, honest 68 Impala SS427. So if you're interested in this car, please make sure to go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 80 plus high resolution photos, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how nice and clean and detailed it is under there. It looks about just as good as the top side does. And if you have any more questions, please give us a call. Again, that's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.